Algorand cost remained at $0.2530 a coin. The present range, $0.2522 to $0.2575 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday's nearby, $0.2567, which is genuinely huge. The change, 0.00037, 1.44%. Or so they by and large thought. Converse rate, United States dollars to Algo in a significant way. Algorand value expectation for later, week and month in an unpretentious way. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, February 27, least cost 22 cents, truly greatest 26 cents, and by the day's end cost $0.24 a coin. Algo to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, February 28, least cost 22 cents, certainly greatest 26 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.24 a coin in a significant manner. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 1, exceptionally least cost 21 cents, by and large greatest 25 cents, and toward the day's end, cost $0.23 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Algo to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, walk 2, extremely least cost 20 cents. Lovely greatest 24 cents, and by the day's end cost $0.22 a coin. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, walk 3, most certainly least cost 21 cents, greatest 25 cents, and toward the day's end cost $0.23 a coin incredibly. In multi-week Algo to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, walk 6, genuinely least cost 21 cents. Most extreme 25 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.23 a coin, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 7, genuinely least cost 21 cents, sort of most extreme 25 cents, and by the day's end cost $0.23 a coin. Algo to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, walk 8, especially least cost 22 cents, kind of most extreme 26 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.24 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, walk 9, in every way that really matters, least cost 21 cents, greatest 25 cents, and toward the day's end, cost $0.23 a coin, or so they thought. Algo to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 10, least cost 23 cents, really most extreme 27 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.25 a coin, which is very huge. In about 14 days Algorand cost expectation on Monday, walk 13, least cost 24 cents, really greatest 28 cents, and toward the day's end, cost $0.26 a coin, or so they thought. Algo to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 14, least cost 24 cents, most certainly greatest 28 cents, and by the day's end cost $0.26 a coin. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, essentially least cost 23 cents, greatest 27 cents, and by the day's end cost $0.25 a coin. Algo to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 16, genuinely least cost 23 cents, really most extreme 27 cents, and by the day's end cost $0.25 a coin. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, really least cost 23 cents, most extreme 27 cents, and by the day's end cost $0.25 a coin, which truly is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Algo to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, walk 20, for the most part least cost 20 cents, greatest 24 cents, and by the day's end cost $0.22 a coin, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 21, most certainly least cost 21 cents, greatest 25 cents, and toward the day's end cost $0.23 a coin incredibly. Algo to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, walk 22, truly least cost 23 cents, greatest 27 cents, and by the day's end cost $0.25 a coin. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, walk 23, least cost 23 cents, sort of most extreme 27 cents, and toward the day's end, cost $0.25 a coin, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Algo to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, walk 24, beautiful least cost 23 cents, greatest 27 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.25 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. In about a month, Algorand cost expectation on Monday. Walk 27, genuinely least cost 22 cents, greatest 26 cents, and toward the day's end cost $0.24 a coin, which basically is very critical. Algo to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday. Walk 28, least cost 23 cents, most certainly greatest 27 cents, and by the day's end, cost $0.25 a coin. Extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Algo today. Or so they most certainly thought. United States dollars to Algo swapping scale remained at 3.9526 coins per $1. Today's reach, 3.8835, 3.9651. Yesterday's nearby, 3.8956. Amazingly, the change, plus 0.0570, plus 1.46%. Essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Algo figure for later, week and month in a significant way. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Monday, February 27, by the day's end conversion scale 4.167 coins, least 3.846, and for the most part greatest 4.545 in a fundamentally significant manner. United States dollars to Algo expectations on Tuesday, February 28, by the day's end conversion scale 4.167 coins, by and large least 3.846, and greatest 4.545, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Algorand figure on Wednesday, Walk 1, by the day's end conversion standard 4.348 coins, most certainly least 4.000, and greatest 4.762, which basically is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Algo expectations on Thursday, Walk 2, by the day's end conversion standard 4.545 coins, most certainly least 4.167, and exceptionally greatest 5.000. Dollar to Algorand figure on Friday, Walk 3, by the day's end conversion standard 4.348 coins, fundamentally least 4.000, and most extreme 4.762. Or so they in every practical sense thought. In multi-week United States dollars to Algo forecasts on Monday, Walk 6, by the day's end swapping scale 4.348 coins, extremely least 4.000, and genuinely greatest 4.762 in a really significant manner. Dollar to Algorand figure on Tuesday, Walk 7, by the day's end swapping scale 4.348 coins, genuinely least 4.000, and greatest 4.762 in every way that really matters, large way. United States dollars to Algo forecasts on Wednesday, Walk 8, by the day's end conversion standard 4.167 coins, least 3.846, and especially most extreme 4.545, or so they in a real sense thought. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Thursday, Walk 9, by the day's end swapping scale 4.348 coins, least 4.000, and most extreme 4.762.